Welcome to my channel Secret Point. I'm your Milan, and in this video session we will see how to write a Java program for generating the Fibonacci series. Okay, so Fibonacci series means what? The sum of previous two number will generate the next number. Okay, in order to generate the next number we will use the sum of previous two number, that is the Fibonacci series. Here you can see the example of Fibonacci series, that is 0 1. The first two number of the series should be 0 and 1. The sum of these two number will generate the next number. Here the sum of 0 and 1 is generating the next number, that is 1, and sum of these two number, that is 1 and 1, will create the next number, that is 2. Like that the series will be formed. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Like that the series will be continued. And we can write this Fibonacci series by using two methods, that is without using recursion and with using recursion. We are writing this program without using recursion. Okay, so let's start the program. Okay, now you can see that after the comment section I was written the first statement as package. Okay, always it is mandatory to write the package statement as the first statement of your program. Okay, and the next to it I was written import statement. Here I am importing the util package scanner class. Okay, why I am importing this scanner class is uh, I just need to take the input from the user. Okay, so in order to take the input from user dynamically we need to use one class with the name of scanner, or else we can take the buffer reader class also, but I am using a scanner class. Okay, you can see here that our class name is Fibonacci example, and within that class I was taken the main method, and within that main method I am creating one object for the scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner. Within that I am passing system.in parameter, and I am creating here four different variable. I am declaring four different variables, and first variable name is n1, which is of integer type and got initialized with the value 0. Second variable name is n2, which is of integer type and got initialized with the value 1. Okay, as we know that Fibonacci series first two numbers is always 0 and 1, so we are declaring and initializing, we are initializing these two variables with the value 0 and 1 respectively. And the third variable name is n3, that is of integer type, and last variable name is of I, which is also of integer type, and we are taking one number as input, integer type variable, to take the input from the user. Okay, and here you can see that I am printing one statement on the console, that is up to what number you need the series. Okay, this message will be printed on the console, up to what number you need the series. And I'm taking the input from the user by the help of nextInt method. Here nextInt method is got defined inside the scanner class, so I am creating one reference variable of scanner class, and through that reference variable sc I am just calling that method, I am just invoking that method nextInt. Okay, by the execution of this nextInt method the user can able to give its input through the console, or we can say we can accept the request, accept the input from the user through this method nextInt. Then next line is system.out.println n1 and n2. Here I am printing just the first two value of the series, that is n1 and 2. n1 is containing one value, that is of 0, and n2 variable is having one variable, value, that is 1. I am just printing those two value here. And next to it I was taken one for loop. Why this for loop is started with the variable I equal to 2 is, as we are already printed the first two value of the series, so we need to print the value from the third value onwards. So we are started this series from 2. Okay, I equal to 2, and as long as the I value is less than number, means as long as the value of I is less than from the user given number, the loop has to be continued. Okay, so here as I was declared the I value with 2, so got declared, then 2 less than number true, it will return the true as the return, so it will enter into the loop body. So with the execution of this loop body, what are the steps I have written is here n3, I am just performing the addition of n2 n1 and n2 and storing it inside the n3 variable. Okay, So n1 variable is having the value 0 and n2 variable is having value 1. So sum of these two number will be stored inside the variable n3. Now I am just printing the n3 variable. Okay, and why I am passing this double quote means it is indicating one space, nothing between double quote means it is indicating one space. Okay, and I'm just printing n3 variable. Now I'm just performing the swap operation here. N1 equal to n2 means whatever the value will be inside the n2, that will get stored inside the n1 variable, and whatever the value is there inside n3 variable, that is going to be stored inside n2 variable. I'm just performing swap operation here. Okay, so let's start the compilation of this program and see what is the output we are getting. So in order to get compile or execute our program, first of all we need to save it, as we did some little bit modification in this program. So in order to run our program, we need to just right click on that our program. Okay, now you can see here our program is showing one message, that is run as. Here you need to, from this option you need to choose run as, then go to Java plus Java application. Okay, okay, click on Java application. Now wait for some time. Okay, now it is showing that up to what number you need the series, and I'm giving is 10 as input. So now you can see here that the Fibonacci series got generated with 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 and 34. This is the series which is generated up to 8 numbers, sorry 10 numbers. And if we need to compile or execute that program once again, then we need to give another input, that is I'm giving here 20. So now you can see the series up to how long it was generated. Okay, so that's it, what is all about Fibonacci series. Hope you like this video. If you liked this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and to keep sharing with your friends, and keep liking to our official Facebook page and other social site pages also, so that you get notified for the new video release. And thanks for watching. Take care.